Once again, we are back with my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, which we love and adore because of all the amazing things they can do. And my favorite is their website that people can really go to.
I know, isn't that amazing? I mean,
It
you
is.
can find all sorts of homes at all sorts of prices, but I've got a special home for everybody today.
All right, let's hear
And
about
if they're
it.
looking for a stunning custom home in Scottsdale, it has mountain views. It's on almost 2 acres of land.
Wow.
And this can be their next home. I mean, tell you, it's really great. It has natural travertine floors, designer neutral paints, and soaring 12-foot ceilings. All of this helps make up your perfect dream home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,500 square feet, and the home has a dream kitchen with everything you could possibly want, including gleaming, beautiful granite countertops, hardwood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry.
Nice.
Wide sliding glass doors bring the outdoors into the formal living spaces that are really nice, open, and airy. The split plan master suite is situated in the east wing, while the second private exit suite is perfect for hosting friends and family. And you'll also enjoy the pavered open air and covered patios where family and friends can enjoy relaxing dining. It's just beautiful there. And all
sounds
this
gorgeous.
space, it is. And there's even an RV gate and parking. All of this for only $999,900. And
Wow, that's a great deal for that
For
much
that home,
land and
yeah,
home.
it
So,
is.
all right, they need to check it out. Thanks.
I agree.